Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, YouTube viewers. I haven't made a video for a long time, primarily because I've been pretty busy and haven't really bothered to upload anything of particular interest. Right now, however, I have been spending a little bit of time in research and investing, doing the right thing by my financial future, and I thought I'd share it with you guys because I know I've got a few particularly important viewers on here that I think would benefit greatly from what I'm about to share with you. All this information is available, it's all on the internet, it's all available from the public in general and governments, but unless you seek the information out yourself, you're not going to come across it. So first and foremost, just wanted to let you guys know that now is the perfect opportunity to start buying gold and silver. It's going to skyrocket. There's no doubt about it. No ifs, no buts. One of the foremost leaders in investing, Robert Kiyosaki. He's the creator of the Rich Dad series. He's got his own gold mine and own silver mine. He's been buying silver since it was about $3 an ounce. It's now US dollars. You're looking, I think today was about $17.06 spot price. Gold's sitting at about 1111 today. In the next, I think from my knowledge, Robert was saying that silver's likely to run out within the next 5 years, and that was back in 2008. So you'd be looking at just a couple of years from now. They're rapidly going through it, and it's all because of the electronics industry. Computers, mobile phones, all sorts of electronics require it in the circuitry, so it's just being consumed at a massive rate. And with all our growth in population and just the boom in electronics, is just disappearing, and they're spending a lot of money mining it. But unfortunately, it's one of those elements that there's only about 25% of the mines dedicated solely to silver. It's all as a byproduct with the other commodities such as iron ore, copper, nickel, a few other elements as well. So that being said, if those other mines close down, that the silver's not being extracted as well. So the whole story is it's being consumed, so it's an industrial metal, it's being consumed, so the availability is reducing, driving the price higher, and it's also got a monetary value as well. So silver and gold have been used as currency for thousands of years, and it's just coming back to that now. I know all the videos I've seen, I'm just rehashing everything that they've said, but I know a lot of my subscribers on here probably don't watch those videos, so for your benefit, this is just for you guys. Anyone else that happens to come across them, it's going to give them some information too. So the main thing driving silver up is particularly the fact it's being used up, not being recycled. It's going to get to the point where they are going to have to pay the exorbitant fees to recycle silver, and that's what's going to drive the price up as well. So if you want to hedge against inflation, buy silver. If you want to hedge against inflation, buy gold. Right now, any form really, the best way to do it is buy bullion, buy recognised coins. Silver, I've been buying coins right now for around about $30 an ounce. Australian, it seems a lot now, but within 5 years it's going to be massive. It's going to be, you know, anywhere between $100 to $1,000 an ounce US. And when you've got those small denominations to trade in, you're not having to get rid of a whole 20 ounce or 30 ounce or, you know, 1 kilo bar. Because, you know, if you want to trade it in for cash, you're going to have to trade the whole bar in, and it means I'm going to lose that whole investment in one hit. So if you pay a bit of a premium now, buy smaller quantities, it's going to be, you know, negligible in the future. I mean, I'm paying, you know, sort of a little bit over spot price for the 5 kilo bar that I bought, and it was around about $20, $21 an ounce Australian per ounce in the 5 kilo bar. Whereas, you know, I'm paying anywhere between $25 to $30 per ounce for the smaller coins. But like I said, you know, smaller denominations, you can trade them in, get a bit more, just a little bit of money rather than having to get rid of the whole lot of silver all at once. Gold's a little bit different. Obviously, you've got something that's so tiny to begin with and it costs so much, but generally, you know, you can buy 1/25 of an ounce, 1/20th of an ounce, 1/10 of an ounce, a quarter, a half, and full ounces. To be honest, either way, because in the you know, within the next 5 to 10 years, probably, yeah, long term, so probably within that 10-year mark, you're going to be using gold to buy massive things anyway. You know. Big things like land and property, so it's not going to be as big a concern. But in saying that, still, you know, if you've got a big enough supply of silver, you'd be doing the same thing with your big bars of silver. So it sounds very optimistic, but it's the reality. It's what's happening. The thing that's really driving both silver and gold up now, especially gold, but silver also, because it is a metal used as a real store of wealth, just like gold is the printing of money. Just go look at Zimbabwe. Mugabe was just printing money like it was going out of fashion to fund the military and police efforts and giving them pay rises, and the way he was paying for the increase in the wage was just printing money. And it just got to the stage there was that much money floating around that, you know, you're paying billions and billions of dollars for, you know, a single can of food. We all know the result. You've just got to jump onto eBay. You can buy a $1 trillion note for about 28 cents or something stupid like that. So that's what's doing it. The US are doing, obviously not quite to the Zimbabwean extent, but it's progressing nicely and causing the gold price to go up at a steady rate. You don't want anything to go up too quickly at too quick a pace. It just causes big problems and starts scaring everyone. So for you guys, I just wanted to let you know now is a fantastic time to buy silver and gold, any form, any size sort of thing. Just buy recognised items, silver and gold coins, silver and gold bullion. As long as it's stamped, ready to go, it's recognised worldwide. So whether you buy anything from an Australian gold nugget kangaroo coin, you can get the silver kookaburras, you can get gold and silver maple leaves, golden eagles. Just hunt around. I mean, yeah, you can buy. I know I'm from Newcastle in Australia. If there's anyone from Australia, you can buy there's a couple of companies on eBay that sell items there too. I've priced at Perth Mint some of their prices, some of the local coin dealers. Yeah, you can save a bit of money here and there, but just start buying it. Doesn't really matter where you're buying it from. You're still going to be paying roughly the same, give or take a couple of percent. Don't worry too much about it, because in the long run it's going to pay off. My time's running out. I might throw up another video shortly, but just wanted to say hi to everyone, and I'll talk to you guys soon again with another video.